Now we're on to our next step, which is actually steaming the vegetables. You will set the pot on the stove, crank it on to high. I like to use gas stoves because they are much more efficient as far as your cooking levels. You can turn it down and the flame instantly goes down, whereas electric, it takes a lot longer to come down to temperature. What I do is basically get the water on that's already got the ingredients inside, throw a lid on top, and you will get that water to a boil. Once that water comes to a boil, you will stick your veg in, and when you get your veg in, you will let it cook for around 6 minutes. I like it 6 minutes because it keeps the nutritional value inside of the broccoli, which is what our key thing to eating vegetables is to get as much nutritional value as we possibly can. If you overcook the vegetables, you cook the nutrients out of it. So therefore, 6 minutes, 5 minutes if you like them really crispy. And that's basically your step to steaming vegetables. On to our next step would be plating the vegetables.